Hello, trading is closed on January 9th, 2020. As I've said, I haven't had much time to look at things this week, so let's briefly go over what we have. We said yesterday that the pattern was negative unless we gapped up smartly and overtook the high, which is what happened. That takes this number off the table. It should still print at some point, but after the smart move higher, no longer predicted it would print. It's a new price target from today's patterns. Unless we gap up smartly, that should print. Futures are already up, so it's quite plausible we gap up smartly, but you never know. Here was an ultimate signal to buy that worked. Here was a sell signal, which hasn't worked yet. The optional higher target has, and the system says we undercut that low. Again, if we gap up, it doesn't, I'm no longer predicting it'll happen. I'm also not predicting it won't. See, this close was 32.74.70, somewhere around there. But then a lot more impressive after gapping up and hitting a higher high if we cleared all these highs at the close. But again, tomorrow's open substitutes for today's close. So if we do gap up, as futures are indicating will happen, it takes all that negative implication away. So this is just a reminder of what we said. Unless we gap up, lower prices should print. But if we do gap up, it's pretty positive stuff. Look for the pattern with the early low today. We got it. Tomorrow should also have an early low. Unless we drop significantly in the first hour or two, day tends to be positive, and the final hour high tends to exceed the early low and be the high of the day. So lower target, unless we gap up smartly, it should print tomorrow. Again, futures are up, so it's quite plausible that we gap up smartly, but I'm not predicting overnight action one way or the other. Early will close tomorrow, tends to be a positive day. Gapping up takes all the negative implications of this away, takes this off the table. If we don't gap up, that's on the table, and this isn't a very pleasant pattern. And that's today's call.